Hey guys, it's Danielle and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I am Danielle and I am a blogger and content creator over at basichousewife.com, where I talk about all things subscription boxes, shopping guides, product reviews, all that jazz. And today I'm going to be unboxing one of my favorite lifestyle subscription boxes. Can you guess what it is? It is the Fall FabFitFun box. This girl is heavy and I cannot wait to see what's inside her. So if you aren't familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box. You can subscribe to do it season by season, or you can be an annual member where you will get full customization options of all the products that are given to you in your box. That's right. You can literally customize every single item in your box if you're an annual member. And even if you are a seasonal member where you pay per box, you still get the option to customize some of the options so you know what to expect when your box arrives. So I'm an annual member of FabFitFun, so I got to choose all of the items that came in this box. However, I will be honest, I do not remember what I chose. I'm sure once I start opening it, it'll all ring a bell. But yeah, let's open her up and see what goodies we got this time. My least favorite thing about the FabFitFun boxes, all this crap. Alright, so the first thing I want to open up is this because I have no idea what it is, and it's the only thing that's wrapped in the box, and I'm so curious. It's a little can of Heineken. It's an alcohol-free Heineken. This is definitely like a promotional product because I did not pick this. That is hilarious. I love it though. Like, I will drink this. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, back to our regularly scheduled program. This next thing that I got is Golden Superfood shower gel. Anytime I have the option to pick like a shower gel or a cleanser, I always do it because they're just like the products that I love to try new things of versus just going to like Target and getting the generic brands. I'm very excited for this one, and it smells like pumpkin, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. Perfect for fall. If you can't tell, I'm in full fall mode at this point. I don't care that it's 80 degrees and sunny outside. Like, in my mind, pumpkin spice is out, Halloween decorations are at Target, like it is fall. So I also got a hand and body moisturizing balm. Again, you can never have too much of this stuff in the fall. I need all the hydration that I can get. My skin gets so dry. I live in Minnesota, and seriously, by like November, my skin is disgustingly dry. So I will take all the hydration that I can get, and I like that this is small. Just like throw this in a bag to carry on the go. I also got a cleansing gel. This is from MAD Skincare, and it is for delicate skin. I really don't have sensitive skin, and they had the option between a few different versions of this cleanser, but I just felt like sensitive skin is just always the safest. So I'm very excited to try this. It is a chamomile extract, licorice extract, and aloe vera. And I love how big this is. Like, this is going in my shower, and this is gonna last me forever. They're really coming through with the samples this time. I also got a little sample of Dove Advanced Care spray deodorant. Next, I got a makeup sponge from MAKEUPDROP. One thing that really intrigued me about this is that it has a silicone front, and then it's like a regular sponge on the other side. You can see it a little bit better here. I don't know how to describe it, but literally the spongy part of this is like the softest thing I've ever felt in my life. It feels different than a beauty blender to me. But yeah, I loved that it has like the 2-in-1 combo. Silicone for sculpting and outlining, sponge for flawless airbrush finish. I'm excited for that. And then I got the Benefit POREFESSIONAL primer. Always a classic. If you're looking for a good face primer, definitely suggest this one is awesome. Oh, Moroccan spice candle. I totally forgot that I picked this. Oh, That is like if you could bottle up fall into 1 scent, it would literally be this candle. Holy moly, this thing is glorious. There is nothing better to me than lighting a candle on a fall evening while cuddling up with a book and a hot drink. Like, I'm gonna light this as soon as this video is done. And last, I don't know what the heck this is. So this is the Mason Collection Reed Diffuser from Pottery Barn. I'm not a huge reed diffuser person, but I think they're lovely for like bathrooms and stuff. Of course, it's like in the most intense packaging ever. But you can see it's got a nice little copper base. There's tons of liquid in here, which is great. And then it's got black reeds, which I think are just fun for the season. So that is everything that came in my fall FabFitFun box. I love it. FabFitFun never disappoints for me, especially now that they have the customization options, so I know that I am picking items that I actually want to receive. So that being said, that is my FabFitFun box. If you want to learn more about FabFitFun, how it works, what you can expect in your boxes, all that jazz, I have a link down below that will talk about all of that information. There's also a link with a promo code if you want to give FabFitFun a try for yourself. And with that being said, I'm gonna go light my candle and make some coffee, and you guys have a good day.